And then I want to put a couple of the frillies in his tail. And again, you can use the icing. I just kind of wrap the tail around the frilly, is what I did. So I'll put a little icing in there. Yeah, again, you can use the sugar glue. It's hard to do that with not being able to see what I'm doing here. Okay. There we go. There's the front of his tail. Now, he's a stuffed animal, so we want to put some patches on him. So that's why I have these small cutters here. So I'll take a little bit of white fondant. And I'm going to cut 2 patches. 1 of each size. What the heck. Roll this out. Nice and thin. This is great because you can actually, anywhere that you've made an error on your guy, you know, maybe you got your finger stuck. I stick my finger in them all the time. Oh my gosh. And I don't even have nails and I stick mine, I'm such a klutz. But anywhere you've got some sort of owie on him, that's where you're going to stick a patch. You know, maybe you spilled water on him or got a mark on him, or like you got a blue spot that you don't know where it came from. Stick a patch, and you can make them all different shapes. I just happen to have square ones, but you can do different, you know, round ones too. When my mom used to patch things, it was whatever we had. So, and it was from, you know, fabric. So to make this look like fabric, I have my pens here. These are, you can use a paintbrush and you can use your gel colors. And then you can mix that with either alcohol or with lemon extract, or you can do them straight. They just take longer to dry. Or you can use these, the food markers. And what you just want to do is make them look like they're fabric. So I'm going to make like this an orange zigzag fabric. Okay. And make another fabric that looks like it's got flowers and leaves on it. So here, we'll just have some. You get, like, you know, grab a print fabric out of your drawer and, you know, mimic it. Whatever you want to do. Okay, and then what you're going to do is you're going to put these on your lion. Grab him. So I'm going to put one on his back leg here. I'm going to put the big one there. So there's that one. And then the other one I'll stick on the front leg. I can stick on the front leg on the side. I actually stuck it on this front leg right here. These are the ones I had dried earlier. So you can see I'm going to put these on. So I put this one here. Let's go ahead and use the ones I had dried already. And then the one in the back there, what I did is I put a little stitching on it. So this back one didn't get its stitching. Let me put it on. Which is nice because I can cover the place where I accidentally ripped it. This is just a number 3 tip. Actually, this is a number 2 tip. I originally used a 3. They do not have to be straight stitches. They rarely are. All right, the last thing that this lion has that my other one does not have is his little rosy cheeks. So we have a little bit of Aurora Rose, and we dusted his little cheeks. And again, if you want to make it a girl lion, you can add a bow to it, you know, make more eyelashes, whatever. So I think that's it. There you have it. I'm Tami Utley, and this is your cute stuffed toy lion.